What's going on, guys? It's your boy Sincere back with another video. Got some good news, guys. Starting the podcast, No Route, No Racks podcast. It's gonna be a good show. Trading, entrepreneur stuff. I bring a guest over, talking about just anything, man. Try to do something a little different. Do a lot of brand awareness for Profit Route Group. It's actually under the umbrella of Profit Route Group, so. I'm excited, bro, for this year and the following year as well for the channel and the group. So, let's get to the video, right? So, I put on bar replay so I can explain to you guys. So, this is 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 7, 8, right? So, it's 8. So, at 7, I'm up, but at 8 in the morning is where I look at the market, right? And when I look at is prices shoot all the way up. This is his high. So if we want, we could do this. Correct? But as time goes on, this becomes the low. So this was like last week. I'm gonna explain everything last week. Nothing. Just ranging. And it drops. This was Friday. Cool. So I just drag this here. And then we this week, right? So, being the lower low. Nothing. This became the lower high. Then all this is one move. Then it's become the lower low. Now we're waiting for a lower high. So when I looked at this, at 9 in the morning, I'm like, all right, cool. I go down to 15-minute time frame, and it was just really choppy, like really choppy, like super choppy, right? Look, as you can see, I'm like, yo, you don't trade this, bro. These areas right here, you do not trade. As the same thing like this, you do not trade this because this is where people. Let's say you're on a good winning streak, and then you try to get in a trade like this, and then you're like, "Fuck!" I just lost. Then your psychology gets messed up. So if you see stuff like this, which is a range, or you could call it a consolidation area, do not trade. Right. So I say around like 10, I looked at the computer. I was like, "Yo, I'm not doing this no more, bro, because this is garbage, right? This is garbage. Price is just messing with us, correct? So let's just skip some of this. Okay." This is okay, cool. 5 o'clock. 5. Right? Yeah, 5. 6, 7, 8. So I know, like, okay, this broke. Now this this the lower low. This became a lower high. Now this became a high. Now this becomes the lower low. And this becomes the lower high. So I'm looking at the time for like, all right, price does not want to push up. Because if it didn't want to push up, it would have done this. Right? Done this, and then this. Right? This would have happened. But since it didn't do none of that, I knew confidently we was going to keep pushing down. Because under this area right here, we're selling, bro. We're strong. I was confident in this one. So on the 15-minute time frame, we got our low, we got our lower high, we got our low, we got our lower high. Then it became bearish. Bullish. Then higher low, higher high, higher low. And broke through here. It's going to become a low. Keep going. 45. 935. So I ain't gonna lie to you. When I saw this, I'm like, all right, cool. All right. So I mark them. I ain't gonna lie to you. I mark them. Lower low. It's funny when I do a video, I get this correct. When I don't do a video, I always mess up. It's kind of weird, right? I lie. I'm tripping. Just becomes a lower low. So we're waiting for this lower high, and then if we break down here, we're good to go. So this is already 9:15. 9:30 happens. Crazy drop. So I look, I'm like, all right, cool. So now this becomes, it's the lower high here. 9:35, 9:40. I still don't wait. I still wait for the waiting for the pullback. Let's get this real quick. The short position. I'll show you what I entered. I entered at 9:45. Right here. I actually put my stop loss like right here. 42 something. So now, when that happens, I look at the lower time frame. I mean the higher time frames, and I'm like, all right, cool. Price gets to my TPs were like, I have it on my phone. Give me a second. I mean, drop a like if you like this video. Let me see. I have it on my phone. Give me a second. Where are you? Where are you? Trying to find it. Okay. Tuesday 3. Give me a second. Right here, guys. Right here. Boom. What's in there? It was like 2, 3, 325. There you go. 20, 23, 27. Something around here. There you go. No, actually, right here. I lied. 3, 2. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, this is my phone right. 327.43. Yeah. So I put it to here. I wanted to shoot it here. I ain't gonna lie, at like right here, but I was like, yo, I'm not even up front. Yeah, I was like, yeah, bro, this ain't it, bro. I'm not gonna do nothing. I was like, yo, I ain't gonna be too greedy. But if I take it off bar replay, you're gonna be like, oh, yeah, you shouldn't get pushing. But yo, I'm not a financial advisor, or like I'm not a market mover. So that's what happened. So if we continue, the rest was history. And yeah, that's how I really made my thing. And then look, if you just keep pushing, price got here. You know, price really got here. But I was like, yo, I missed this move. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like it went so crazy. Like I was waiting for the retest, but I was like, man, it went so crazy that I missed it. So, but it's all good. And then news for the Fed, from the Fed, Jay, what's his name, Powell. He pushed this up. You know, I don't know. I guess when he speaks, it shoots up crazy. But yeah, guys. I mean, this is how I got the move, man. I'm transitioning into becoming more of a day trader. I do scout, but my goal now is to, you know, what I just show moves to right here, because I'm trying to transition. So this is the video right here, man. I appreciate you guys for the support. Like I said, we have the podcast coming out. Be looking for that, and I'm most likely doing more videos like this to catch bigger moves, so I could post it on video. Don't get me wrong. You mean take your profits, you know. But like for me, like I've been back testing Nasdaq for a while, and like it's been showing me it gets to the areas, when you hold it for longer instead of scalping it for a short period of time. So, but I appreciate you guys, man. Like, subscribe, share. I love y'all, family. I'll see you in the next one.